Hello, welcome to Great British Chef Academy. My name is Hideki Hiwatashi, Executive Chef at Sake no Hana in London. Lesson 1, I'd like to show you how to make a perfect sushi rice and also introduce Tamagoyaki, which is a Japanese omelette. Let's get started. Here's 250 grams white rice, the short grain Japanese rice, and transfer to the bowl. So it's really important, the washing rice, remove the starch. So first, pour over the water into the rice and then wash by your hands. Your finger is like this to make soft mixing and become the white color. Straight away, strain it. So you need to wash to 4 or 5 times to the water become clear. So then after wash the rice, you need to soak in water at 20 minutes. So now done, completely take out the water. And then now the cooking. So transfer the rice in the bowl. Then after, the same amount of the water as the rice. And the small kombu, which is kelp. This one gives more good flavor and the umami taste. So first 5 minutes, keep high heat to give the pressure to the rice. After that, turn down the heat for 20 minutes. So just before finish the rice, let's cook the sushi rice vinegar. So here's the vinegar, sugar, salt, and kombu. So pour over everything inside the pot. So this sushi vinegar gives nice flavor to make perfect sushi rice. I'm going to start heat up the rice vinegar. Okay, so after cooked rice, transfer to the bowl. Make sure the rice is hot and the sushi rice vinegar is hot. So gently pour over on the rice. And also, important is using these edges to cut rice. If you do this way, the rice goes broken and too much sticky. So make sure the rice mixing with the cut. So after this, transfer the rice to the plate to cool it down. Together with the wet towel to protect, make dry rice. And after a couple of minutes, the sushi rice is ready. So next I will show you make Tamagoyaki, a Japanese omelette, using 3 eggs. And then here's the ingredients: water, and mirin, sweet sake, light soy sauce, and just mix it up. So tamago is ready. This is Japanese traditional the pan, which is a bit square. This is for special tamagoyaki, the pan fry. But you can use the round one as well. So heated a pan with a bit of oil. I'm going to make 4 layers to make nice ricottangle shape. The shapes is good for the tamago nigiri sushi. So as you can see, the eggs still soft, but you need to wait until it become firm. And now ready to roll. Move it forward. And a bit of oil again. So last layer. So one important point is don't cook too much the eggs. The point is to always half cook, like firm. When it's rolled, stick together. So after transfer to the sushi rolling mat, so this makes nice shapes, and then the eggs stick together. Just wait for a couple minutes to a little bit cool it down, and ready for the tamago nigiri. Okay, now exciting parts, making tamago nigiri. So take out tamago from bamboo mat. So cut into 5mm each pieces. This is good for the nigiri sushi size. So next, before grab the rice, you need to put water on your hands to protect rice stick together. And then grab around 15 grams, like a small bowl, and then take one piece of egg and just simply put on top, and then make nice shapes, turn it around. So you don't need to push too much, otherwise very hard rice. And then take some nori and move it around to enter the bottom. This is perfect tamago nigiri sushi. Thank you for watching Great British Chef Academy. See you in lesson 2.